Hello viewers, my name is Fareen Sheikh and it's my pleasure to showcase my teaching style to you through this small video. So let's start. Today I chose the topic of symmetry. Symmetry is in a maths concept. So I want to show you something. This is a small happy Mother's Day card which my son gave me on Mother's Day. So this is nothing but this is what is the shape of this? This is the shape of butterfly. So this shape of butterfly, so when I fold it, it is like a perfect and exact match of this design, this shape. So the shape of the butterfly exactly match when I fold it. Okay, so this is nothing but a symmetrical figure. Okay, so this is nothing but a symmetrical figure. So let's find out some new other facts about symmetry. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Okay, let's start. Okay, viewers, so I have made some PPT presentation for you to explain more about the symmetry. So here you can see the subject of symmetry. So symmetry is here. The symmetry is explaining its definition itself. Okay, so here something is beyond the numbers but with some beautiful facts. Okay, symmetry is not related with any numbers. We are not calculating anything here. We are not measuring anything here. So it's just like a fun. Okay, when we find symmetry in the object, in any object in the world, so we'll find a fun as well. Okay, so we'll just move to the next slide. Okay, what is symmetry? Symmetry when a shape is folded in a half and it is the same on both sides. So here, as I have shown you my card, okay, so here this butterfly, okay, so this butterfly is shape is folded in half and it is same on both the side. When I fold it here, it's like this. Okay, so it is same on both the side. Okay, so when a shape is folded in half and it is the same on both the side, that is nothing but a symmetry. It is nothing but a symmetry. So symmetry is when figures are identical after being moved, flipped, reflection or rotated. Okay, so once more time, symmetry is when figures are identical after being moved, flipped, reflected or rotated. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So we can explain more about symmetry. So symmetry can be divided as line symmetry, rotational symmetry and mirror reflection. Can you just thinking what is the mirror reflection? As I have shown in my earlier first presentation, first PPT, the symmetry, that is nothing but, this is nothing but a symmetrical reflection. This is nothing but a symmetrical reflection, that is also called as mirror reflection. Okay, so that is the mirror reflection. Okay, so first is a line symmetry. So let's find out more about the line symmetry. Okay, line symmetry, the line of symmetry, the horizontal or vertical line that shows the symmetry of shape or object. Here on this card, can you see the line where from the exactly this butterfly is getting fold? See, so this line is nothing but a line of symmetry. This is called a line of symmetry. So the line which we get after folding any object into the same halves. Okay, so or you can say the imaginary line or axis along which you fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called the line of symmetry. Let's take one more example with the help of this paper. Okay, so this paper, when I fold this rectangular paper. Okay, so it is exactly folded in a proper half. Okay, so this, when I fold it, so I got this line. So this line is nothing but a line of symmetry. This line is nothing but a line of symmetry. Can you see this line? When I fold it, I get this line. Okay. Okay, so I'll just understand with some more example. Okay, so here are the triangle. So can you see this line? When I fold this triangle, so with the help of this line, this shape will be folded in a symmetrical way, in a symmetrical figure. Okay, in a exact same shape. Okay, so this circle, this triangle, or this rectangle, or this heart, or this square. Okay, so this is nothing but a line of symmetry where your shape is being folded in a exact half. Okay, so let's find out with more. Okay, so line symmetry, when we fold anything, okay, in one, it is so we can make we can make infinite line in figure, like in a circle, or we can make a one line, two line, in according to the shape, according to the figure. Okay, when I fold this isosceles triangle, I'll get one line symmetry. When I going to get this triangle, this rectangle, into a more halves, so I'll get two lines. Okay, so you can get here two lines. See, can you get a two line here? Okay, so see, I got a two line, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is nothing but a two line symmetry. Okay, in here in equilateral triangle, I can get a three line symmetry. When I fold it, it will look exact same, and when you rotate it, when you flip it, or when you moved it, it will look give you a same figure. So we can make a three lines in equilateral triangle. We can make four lines in symmetry, four lines in lines of symmetry in a square. Okay, why we cannot make any line on this parallelogram? Because this figure is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical means you cannot make a exact half of this figure. So this is called non-line symmetry. We can't draw any horizontal and vertical line to get any shape of this figure. Okay, so this is a no line symmetry. We can't get any proper horizontal and vertical line here. Okay, so see, I got a two line, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is nothing but a two line symmetry. Okay, in here in equilateral triangle, I can get a three line symmetry. When I fold it, it will look exact same, and when you rotate it, when you flip it, or when you moved it, it will look give you a same figure. So we can make three lines in equilateral triangle. We can make four lines in symmetry, four lines in lines of symmetry in a square. Okay, why we cannot make any line on this parallelogram? Because this figure is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical means you cannot make a exact half of this figure. So this is called non-line symmetry. We can't draw any horizontal and vertical line to get any shape of this figure. Okay, so this is a no line symmetry. We can't get any proper horizontal and vertical line to fold this parallelogram. Okay, got it? See the circle. Can you see this circle? So this circle is infinite lines of symmetry. So the circle can fold be with the infinite of lines. Okay, and when you flipped it, when you moved it, when you rotated it, you will get the same shape from all the corners. Okay, So this is nothing but the line of symmetry. Okay, so we'll move on now with some recap. Okay, so that is a recap. What we have what we have learned. We learned a symmetry in object is a symmetrical when it is exactly the same on both sides. When you fold it in a half, okay, we'll get exactly same face, same shape of any figure when you fold it in a proper half. So here are something that are symmetrical. So we can show you as I have shown you, the shapes can be asymmetrical, as like a letters can be asymmetrical. You can make a horizontal and vertical line to make a alphabets asymmetrical. Insects also are symmetrical, insects and animals, okay, and more on we can apply on the numbers as well. So numbers as well can be inclusive, can be included in a line of symmetry. Okay, so this is nothing but called a symmetry. Can you think of any other symmetrical object? Okay, if you'll find out any symmetrical object, so just comment me on this video. Okay, so this is a homework for you. So you have to think about more symmetrical object and more symmetrical symmetrical things in our nature. Okay, our nature is so beautiful and so reflective. So let's learn with the fun. Okay, so let's learn with the fun with the symmetrical objects. Thank you so